Hello and welcome to Computology Academy, and today we are going to discuss about the book lists required for the JPSC Mains 2021 GS Paper 3, that is of Indian Economy, Globalization and Sustainable Development. So after going through the previous year questions as well as the syllabus, you will find that the sustainable development topic mentioned here is not related to the climatic sustainable development itself. So here it is not focusing on the environment and ecology perspective, but the interconnection between the economic development and the climate related changes that will be caused due to the economic development, that will be due to the enhancement in the manufacturing practices, erecting more and more power plants, etc. So here basically the government wants to do the sustainable development of the economy in such a way that high level of GDP will be maintained in future also, while keeping in mind the climate change, while considering the adverse impact of the economic development on the climate. So here let us see about the book list. So first of all, the Indian Economy, Globalization and Sustainable Development paper will not have different sections. The complete paper will be in a single section, and here you will find that 20 objective questions will be there in question number 1 of 2 marks, which will be of total marks of 40 marks, and this question will be compulsory question. And here you will find that 16 questions out of 20 questions will be from Indian economy, globalization and sustainable development in Indian perspective, and only 4 questions will be specifically focused on the Jharkhand perspective. So here you need to focus more and more on the Indian economic perspective while preparing for the JPSC mains exam. And this is because rest of the 4 questions which you will find here, in each and every question there will be 2 questions, this or this, and you have to solve any one question, and this will be of total weightage of 4 into 40 marks, that will be of 160 marks. So this will make complete 200 marks paper. So here you have to answer the question, only one question of 40 marks in subjective paper related to Jharkhand, and that will be of current in nature, that is related to agricultural condition of Jharkhand, that may be related to industrial condition of Jharkhand, or the economic development of different plants and processes, etc. So here you can easily prepare this paper with limited resources, but here one catch is that you have to focus more and more on current affairs, and for that matter here I have provided the book list which will be very easy to finish off in limited time period. So as you can see here, the first book, that is textbook from NCERT, that is of economics for class 9th. This book is not so big, you can easily finish off it in 3 to 4 days. And if you don't want to make notes for these books, just go for the Computology IAS notes. So those students who want to just read these books and for the notes purpose, they don't want to put their time and effort here and they want to go for the answer writing practice, just go on to prepare through the Computology IAS notes after reading out these books. And thereafter the next book will be Understanding the Economic Development. Here what will be the content of this book, that is how the Indian economy developed after independence. Here you will find the 5-year plans, rolling plans, etc., different types of programs that have been initiated by the government of India, how the Indian economy started to get industrialized, all those kind of things, liberalization, globalization, etc., will be over there. and thereafter Indian economic development. The same thing will be here also, but it will be the advanced version of the previous book. And thereafter two major books. Here you will find the major conceptual parts of economics. Here you will see the macroeconomics and the microeconomics, and both are for class 12th. This is the advanced part of the economics, and here you have to keep more focus, because here the conceptual clarity in these books will prepare you to connect with the current related issues. Whatever the current issues are going on, if the questions are asked based on those current issues, then you have to bring out the concepts. Those are mentioned here in these books, and thereafter you will be in a good position to write a very good answer after bringing out these concepts and pulling it in your answer sheet and mentioning the relation between the current events and the concepts which are mentioned over here. And thereafter, economic survey. Economic survey is basically mentioned here to answer the sustainable development related questions, because in the economic survey now a specific chapter is provided for sustainable development of the economy. So you go through the 2018 economic survey chapter 5, that is of sustainable development. Same thing is with that of 2019 and 2020 economic survey, that will be of chapter 6. So in the 2018 economic survey you will find the sustainable development chapter, that is chapter number 5, and in the 2019 and 20 economic survey it will be chapter number 6. Go through these chapters religiously, because it will help you out to fetch at least 50 marks in the paper, 40 marks itself for answering the question related to sustainable development, and thereafter it will help you out in the objective questions also. So strategize these things like that, and thereafter the current affairs, current related issues that are specifically related to economics. So these questions will be there, and if you go through the current affairs, that too of the major topics, major events, then it will help you out to answer the questions very judiciously in a perfect way. And after that, for the part of Jharkhand related economic questions, go through the Manish Ranjan's book, or if you don't want to do all these things, then go through Computology IAS notes that will be available with the classroom program, and here students will get each and everything at the single place. Here the single booklet will be sufficient for you people to answer all these questions. Along with that, you will be provided the test series also here. Our courses are starting on 7th of October 2021 in the online mode as well as in the offline mode. In the both the programs, the seats are getting filled very fast. So those students who want to prepare in a very good way for their JPSC mains exam, do register for our program, and we will provide you personal mentoring also. We will provide you class notes, we will provide you classroom lectures, and thereafter the test series that will be in sectional manner also, and that will be in the full length manner also, which will prepare you people for the real scenario, the real war of JPSC mains exam. And do follow us on our social media channels, and for the admission purpose you can visit our website www.computology.com, and do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you very much and have a nice day.